Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster and today I'm going to show you how to make a McDonald's Teritama Muffin. It's spring here in Japan and McDonald's has brought back its Teritama campaign. The seasonal Teritama series features sandwiches and muffins that feature a pork patty, teriyaki sauce and an egg. The Teritama Muffin is basically a Teriyaki Egg McMuffin, and as far as I know it's only sold here in Japan. But guys, after watching this informative video, you can make this in the comfort of your own home, wherever you are in the world. Now the first step is to fry an egg. Now if you're not too fussy, you can fry this egg any way you like, but if you're like me, then use a silicone egg ring. Be sure to thoroughly oil your egg ring and also add a couple of drops of water to steam it like I did. And here's a wee tip for you. Make sure to use the lid when cooking the egg. This will speed up the cooking process and also make sure that you have an evenly cooked egg. Now the next step is to fry your pork sausage patty. This is a Jones brand breakfast pork patty that I picked up from my local Costco. There are about 30 in a pack and they're almost identical to McDonald's breakfast pork patties. But of course if you can't get hold of these, you can make your own. The easiest method is to take a pork sausage, remove the filling from the skin and form a patty. You can spice it up by adding some cloves, marjoram and sage and maybe a little bit of brown sugar. It's totally up to you. Okay, my patty is cooked, so now it's time to add some teriyaki sauce. If you're in the mood, you can make the sauce yourself, but it's much easier just to use store-bought sauce. Okay, and here's a really important tip. Given that McDonald's burgers are American food, it makes more sense to use the westernized version of teriyaki sauce. And by that I mean, you should be using a sweet teriyaki sauce. But if you are up for a challenge and you want to make the sauce yourself, check out the recipe below. Okay, now the egg and patty are cooked, let's check out the other ingredients. Okay guys, let's see. Of course you're going to need a muffin and some butter, some lettuce and some mayonnaise, and of course some extra sauce if needed. If you have all of these ingredients on hand, then you are to be commended because you can now make these things at will. And here is my teriyaki covered breakfast pork patty. Now I might just add a touch more sauce to give it a bit more street cred. And there you go, he's looking pretty good. Okay guys, now it's time to start building this Teriyaki Egg McMuffin, aka the Teritama Muffin. The first step of course is to butter the toasted muffins, then add that breakfast pork patty. Next, on goes the egg, followed soon after by the lettuce. After the lettuce is in place, it's time to add that mayo. And once you've put on the crown, you're done. And there you go guys, that's how you make a McDonald's Teritama Muffin. That was only available in Japan. Until now. Okay, since I've made this Teriyaki Egg McMuffin, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to eat it. And what does it taste like? Well guys, it's teriyaki-tastic. And also teriyaki terrific. So guys, if you want to add a Japanese style McDonald's McMuffin to your repertoire, why don't you give this one a go? From now on, breakfast time, it's teriyaki time. Thanks for watching guys, I'm the Bento Buster and I'll see you next time. And as we say in New Zealand, kia kaha, stay strong.